So this is another exercise in section 6.2 that asks us to construct a confidence interval for a mean using the t-distribution. Same formula. Notice I have a tendency to use t star instead of t sub c, but they mean the same thing. It's number of standard deviations from the center of the t-distribution that we have to go out to capture, in this case, the middle 95%. So we see that our x bar is 112. We'll get our critical value here in a moment from our table. Our S is 10, and our N in this case is 11. Our degrees of freedom for these confidence intervals is always n minus 1, so in our case that would be 11 minus 1, or 10 degrees of freedom. So we're going to need to look up 10 degrees of freedom in our table. This time we are doing a 95% confidence interval, so we're capturing the middle 95%, which is leaving out 100 minus 95%, or 5%. That needs to be contained in those two tails together. So, once again, we will look up our degrees of freedom on the far left, 10, and our two-tail area this time is